His might be our first live look at an iPhone 17 Pro test device, showing a man holding two iPhones, phone 16 Pro top and alleged iPhone 17 Pro bottom. This year Apple planning some design changes to the iPhone 17 Pro coming later this year. New images provide us with what could be our best look yet at the redesigned camera bump on the iPhone 17 Pro. New hands-on images have been leaked depicting what is probably an iPhone 17 Pro dummy unit. The new color options available for the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. New camera features coming to the iPhone 17 Pro lineup: upgraded 48MP telephoto lens, and an upgraded 24MP front-facing camera. Apple's iPhone 17 lineup will come with 12GB RAM, the iPhone 17 series to get TSMC's next-generation 2nm chips, Apple's A19 chip technology. iPhone 17 Pro come with 3900 mAh battery. Apple unveils the iPhone 17 lineup in September. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.